Alright guys, this is a Thor Ace 30.2 2020. Let's have a look at it. Outside TV. Sorry about the road noise next to the highway. Got your batteries down there. Got your propane. Just a storage. You got your outside propane hookup there. You have an electrical outlet. You have your refrigerator vent, outside outlet. You got more storage here with a light inside. Even more storage with a light inside. Got your power cable there. You have a ladder to the roof. This has the seamless window. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, it's so flat. It doesn't have the seal around it. Here's your gas fill up. This unit has a super slide on the driver's side. You got a generator, more storage all throughout. I'm not gonna go open those. Sorry about the finger. You have your furnace, your hot water heater, and of course the driver's side has a window as well as the passenger side. Once again, this is a 2020 30.2 Ace. Let's go take a look inside. All right, step right on in, come right into the kitchen. Got a nice stainless steel sink, pretty deep. Got a residential type of faucet here. You have a 3-burner gas stove. Got your oven. Got your microwave. This one is not a convection. Got a pantry here. Under sink storage, they got trash cans in there. That's nice. Don't really see that too much. You got some slide out drawers here. Got one down at the bottom. Of course, you got more drawers here all the way down. Then on this side by the door, you have the refrigerator. It is not a residential, it's just a regular refrigerator. Got a little storage up above, as most do. Got your control panel here, your air conditioner. It's like your slide out. You do right here by the door, you do have some storage up here. You have a nice little window that gives you a little bit extra light above the door. You have like a little place you can hang up a jacket, maybe put a broom in there. Same on that side. You do have more controls down here. You have your battery disconnect, step, awning, all that down there. You do have storage down there, which is nice, and it cuts off into the storage bay outside. You can put your shoes down in there if they're dirty, muddy. This one does have has a nice drawer up underneath the fridge there. Let's go to the front here. Got your dinette. I'm sure that makes out into a bed. Table goes down. You have a nice large Xera TV. You have some storage here on the side above the cockpit here. These seats will turn around. Nice big screen. That is really nice. Wish my older Class C had that. You got cup holders down here, place to put stuff. That will turn into like a desk. You have all different kind of things. Got storage up there. You got this sofa, makes out into a bed. Then we go to the back here. This is the bathroom. You got a couple of hooks there. Got a shower. Toilet. Sink. Common plastic faucet. A little metal sink though. You got storage up underneath. And if I understand this right, this is the dog dish. Yep. And the Ace, they usually have those in there somewhere. Sometimes it's underneath the bed. But anyway, this is the bathroom. You got some overhead storage up here too. Kind of in the corner. Not too bad. This one has 2 bunk beds. Has a little TV in it on the top one, and the TV on the bottom one. Didn't know what these are. The power's not on, but these are lights. So that's pretty cool. So each one of those has a light. Of course, you got the ladder that goes there. I thought that might be some drawers up underneath, but it's not. It looks like there may be storage access up underneath that. Anyway, you come to the back. You have what appears to be it's either a full or a queen size bed. It looks like maybe a queen. You got storage. You got the storage beside. You got a drawer there. You got storage, of course, up above. You got storage over there. You got a drawer. Of course, this has sliding doors. One that goes into the bathroom, which is nice. You have access into the bathroom, and then of course one that goes and slides and closes this off. You have a nice little vanity area here. You got a TV. You got a couple drawers down below here, a couple of drawers down below here, and of course you got your wardrobe here. And there's a little table that goes up in between the 2 seats up front. This has an air conditioner back here in the back and one in the front. So this will be a 50 amp. So you have fan here, good size, fantastic fan. You also forgot to mention you do have this bed that does lower down. There's buttons here to do that. I don't know exactly where they're at. But anyway, I just want to give you a quick tour of this 2020 Thor Ace 30.2.